Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Yes, me there again, my people. Blessed Sunday morning, you know, manners and respect, you see. Yeah, me have some things to really and truly talk to you about. But I'm going to present a video to you first. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show police from within the country of Jamaica, and I want you to listen to some things that a person said in this video. See? Sometimes a video talk for itself, and sometimes it is best to look and listen to a video for yourself. Alright? Observe, my people. Observe.
And cheering. And cheer to road license. So I want to see how them can cheer you. Yeah, you see it there? So I can cheer to road license. Yeah. Bus not work. Bus not working. It not operate. And they stop me for can cheer it. Then don't even looking at the bus for how much passenger they in the bus or who they in the bus. But them just throw down the ticket in our bus to give me can cheer it. Write me for 5 tickets and don't tell me wait for. That's all. Them now look for thief, you know. A bus man them look for a red plate. That's all not take step.
Jano. Yeah, my people. Sometimes a video talk for itself. You know? What are your opinions and views about a situation like that? Contrary. You won't go upstairs and listen to the things that the person saying in the video. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Most likely now get everybody say the same thing when it comes down to certain situations, my viewers and subscribers. See? But anyways, me I move on to another topic. See? Listen up.
Valiant. In my point of view, Valiant lyrically responded to some things that a politician who goes by the name of Robert Margon said pertaining to a song that Valiant do, where some people call dunce check and some people call it bounce check at the same time. You see me? People are going to have them name for a song some of the time. You see me? I say, the song I talk about are the song where have certain lyrics in it where say back of the class, man, on a subject. That song that I talk about. You see me? I say, yeah, so it's like Mr. Margon say, him hearing son play a YouTube video, and basically it's like he explains that his son never did a search feed. You see what I say? But anyways, we never cover that the part there. But before me explain certain things, my people, then just look into it. When me there high school, you know, me did in a class and classes, I me never have no subject. And when me graduate, you know, me have subject. So it somewhat makes some form of sense, you know. But even though that might not be what Valiant mean, you know what I say, but think about it. If you go to school for learn, you know, might have no subject depending upon which school you go at the time. But anyways, so on Instagram, I see a post that had been made on an Instagram page where enough of the updates them for Valiant had been posted on. You see what I say? Yeah, so in the post, my people, me hear the audio, and in the audio, me hear some things that Mr. Marga they say pertaining to Valiant song, and then me hear the music now with some lyrics basically. I say, now this might not be word for word as to how me hear the song, but I try to give my understanding Zane to the lyrics that me hear. So it's like me hear the song say, please don't judge me. Just left school and now no subject. Don't call me no dunce head. I'm work in progress. You know? No. Feel for build a boat and run where nothing go on the country. My people, the words they might not be exactly the same. You see me? I say, well, I try to remember what me hear as lyrics in that song there. You see? And the audio not really long, my viewers and subscribers. But me I gonna be reading this still, you know. At this alone, me see that post there or the audio there. At this alone, me hear it. You see me, I say, people. Yeah, so maybe I just want a little lyrical response that I know nothing major. You know, cause you don't know, no man. I step up in a life as a musician. Right now, time to focus on certain things. You see me, I say, Yeah, man. You ever hear some lyrics from Bob Marley song about can and fall? Choke can and ray about fall and so forth. You know? Choke can, never can and fall. The point is, Valiant work still. You know what I mean? And the lyrical respond there. Yeah, man. He connect. He connect with people. May I tell you, he connect. Me the things of the song when you're science, did I get more negative comments than the song where have the lyrics we say back at the class and the word subject and so forth? No, me the think so. Me I tell you the truth because you see the song when you're science, if you listen carefully, you know, you can get the understanding say science I talk about, you know, something when enough Jamaican people not really and truly agree with, you know, the whole go zoom, 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 you know what I mean? I think you understand what me I say. You see? Yeah, but the thing so. And me I wonder if I true Margon go say certain things about it to make it go flare up even more. Because I real know the comments them when he make about this song there where him talk about the other day, and really and truly put him more in the limelight as well as Valiant too, you know. Yeah man, and I real my people just looking at it, man. You see what I say? And before me move on to the next topic, you know, you see, if me for choose between the song when you're in science and the song where some people call dunce check or even bunks check, because people call the song for them name even though the song have a title. You see me? May I tell you the truth? The song when you're in science, better. To me, the song when you're in science sound better to me. You see me? No, don't get me wrong, you know, my people. The two songs them sound good, you know. And whole heap of good comments have been made about both of those songs when I talk about my people. The two of them sound good. So even though I'm afraid of the whole Guzung Bang and Obia thing, my people, I like how the song when you're in science sound, you know, the rhythm and everything. I just like that song though it sound better in my point of view. But the only problem I find with it is that the song too short. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, more lyrics for there, up there in our second verse and them thing. But I just saw it go still, you know. I mean, everybody have them one thing to how them are going to run social media and run the music world and so forth. That's how life go. Anyways, now move on to our next topic. But before I move on to the next topic, I would like to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, someone did tell me Dancehall Skilla to do an update about a certain situation if I can. So may I say, well, may I do it now? Because I got information that over 30 fishermen who were detained for illegal fishing in Colombian waters arrived in Jamaica Island safely. That's the information that I got, viewers and subscribers. It is said that over 30 of them arrived in Jamaica Island or arrived on the island. Yes, so me I say, yes, so at one point me I wonder if that was all of them. Yeah, me I wonder if that was all of them, but me I have to give you information according to how me get information. So listen carefully because there's more to this whole thing. See? So listen. So it is said that the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade gave the confirmation in a statement saying, and it is said that the minister says a certain amount of nationals of the Dominican Republic who had been detained on the same vessel were repatriated, viewers and subscribers. See? It is said that the fishermen were received at sea by members of Jamaica Defense Force and representatives of PICA, that's the Passport, Immigration and the Citizenship Agency. See? That's according to information I'm getting of viewers and subscribers. See? Some more than one news articles that I read gave me the understanding that the captain for the vessel remained detained to answer to charges or to face charges. So what I'm saying to you, there was also information about the status of other nationals that were on the vessel to viewers and subscribers. So I say about information about those persons are somewhat sketchy in my point of view. Because when it comes down to information, I have to be careful, you know. See, isn't there here two separate information about something? Try and split the understanding in between, as some of the things. So anyways, I just give you some information that I got about that whole situation. I hope that this video was informative. Big up and respect to each and every one. And Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.